Hi, this is Keith with TaxSol, and we get a lot of questions about how do we clean our suppressors, or how do we recommend cleaning our suppressors. This is our little 3-inch AERIS micro suppressor, and we used this for a video shoot last week. We put approximately 250 rounds through it, and I wanted to show you what we do here in the shop to clean our suppressors after we use them. Before beginning any work, make sure to put on eye protection and put on some sort of disposable gloves. First thing we want to do is remove the thread protector and the end cap using your Axiom or AERIS wrench. To clean your split tube and your suppressor housing, I recommend using your favorite gun oil on a paper towel or another cloth that you can use to wipe them off with. The fouling on the 22 long rifle baffles is really difficult to remove. Here at the shop, we like to use the stainless steel tumbling pin method and a wet tumbler, and that seems to work great for us. You can also use an ultrasonic cleaner if you have one of those. I typically find that using the wet steel pin tumbler takes me about 1 to 5 hours or so to get these baffles clean. Follow me out to the shop and we'll get these started. Once your baffles have been cleaned and dried, you're now ready to reassemble your suppressor. I like to attach the thread adapter first. Tighten it down. Insert the blast baffle into the stainless steel split tube with the gas port facing away from the split in the tube. Follow with the remaining baffles. Insert the tube and baffles into the suppressor housing. Tighten on the end cap using the wrench, and your suppressor is now ready for use. Remember, this cleaning procedure only applies to the AERIS and Axiom suppressors. The Ascent has aluminum baffles, and those do not hold up well to either ultrasonic cleaning or the stainless steel pin tumbling. Thanks for watching. For more great products, please visit us at tacticalsol.com.